What are we gonna do?
I say we hold it out for a little bit, see where the next circle's gonna go.
It ain't gonna work. I bet you don't get none. I bet you don't get it. I bet you don't get it. I hope you don't get it.
Oh, I knocked somebody out water tower!
I know, I seen that. I was shooting that too.
Oh,
I see
fine, I
it
got the
coming down
kill! And I got the kill!
That's 417 meters right there.
Damn, bro. That was
It was cool.
stupid.